Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they wanted to use the bevel tool. And when they go to the effects and bevel, everything's grayed out because it's not a vector file. It's a JPEG and it's actually in a power clip. And for the one I'm doing this for, I would not power clip it into this frame. So let's go and extract the contents. And then there's your power clip. So I made a frame it's really 2 inches by 3 inches. So we'll unlock our ratio and we'll make another rectangle that is 2 inches by 3 inches. And then we'll round the corners off about like he had it. That's good enough. We're gonna hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then hit P and put our picture in the center of the page. So this would be a lot better than power clipping it, would be to grab them both and go right here to intersect, and then you intersected that picture and it won't have any. Sometimes power clip will engrave past that on those corners. Now the bevel tool, which I very seldom ever use because of the fact that it's not really helpful for laser engravers, will only really work on a vector file or a vector artwork or a text or a curve. It won't, to me, as far as I know, it won't work on a bitmap. The only other thing, and I don't really, he wants to bevel the edges. The only other way I could suggest to do it would be to click on your picture, go to Effects, go to Custom, or go to Creative and Vignette, and then click, let's say white, and let's do a rectangle, and you get a vignette. And you can play with this, the intensity, the fade, the offset, and make it as much of a vignette or as much as you want. You can change the color of the vignette, and he evidently is gonna print this. If I remember right, he's got a printer. So I'm gonna use RGB, but he probably has CYK, so you could make it a yellow vignette. That's too much, maybe a blue. And then once you click out of that color, you could readjust the offset and have it not as much and the fade a lot more. So you just get a little bit of a vignette around there, but it does it rectangularly with rectangles, and you can do squares, circles, or ellipses. You can pick your color, you could make it black. And I truly hope that's what he was trying to go for. The bevel tool just doesn't work on a JPEG. And whenever you see anything that's not, when it grays it out, it's because of the fact that it won't work, because it needs to be a vector format type picture where this is a JPEG. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.